Okay, in F-47, we are doing down payment request. Enter the details, document date, posting date, okay, reference, document header text. We are doing vendor down payment request, right? So here vendor code and GL account, special GL account. So till here completed.
Yes.
So press enter. So press enter. So yesterday it was showing error. That was the server issues. So I have changed the server. So here 40,000. Okay. 40,000. Give the business area. Give the business area. BHYD. Ours is sorry, UHYD, right? UHYD. Okay. UHYD. Okay. Sorry, business area Hyderabad. And give the profit center here. B1000. B1000. So here mention it as a vendor request. Vendor advance request. Advance request. Just write it down. Vendor advance request. So give amount, profit center. Okay, due on. Give today's date. F4, F2. Okay. Okay. Once it's done, click on save it or document. It will create how many lines? How many lines it will have? Down payment request? One line. So click on post. Click on post. Sorry, it's a U1000. Okay. Document got generated, 13 series. Okay. So document, see the document. Document display. See here. Only one line item. You can see here. Special GL indicator, it took it as an F. Okay. GL vendor account. And it is having only one line item. What is the posting date it is taking? Okay. Posting key it is taking 39. Special vendor, special GL credit. Where F is nothing but vendor down payment request. Okay. So we don't have any second line, debit line. So only you can see the amount is debit. So we will see the report. Okay, go to the report. Go to the report FBL1N /O FBL1N /O FBL1N. Go to the report FBL1N. So here select vendor account. Select the vendor account. Okay. Vendor account, company code, and click on all items. Click on all items. Go to the report FBL1N. Give the vendor account, company code, all items. Okay. So here, the most important thing is, okay, here I'm selecting all item. So here in the type, it is not an entry, it's not a normal item. Okay, so click noted item. Select a noted item. It's only a noted note, that's it. Okay, so remove this normal item. Just to select noted item. If you select all items, okay, normal item, it will not display anything. It will not, it's not going to display anything. See here. Okay, it is a noted, only note. Okay, then you can click on noted items, then say execute. See, it is showing only one line item. Okay, 40,000. Okay, so Satvik Constructions Private Limited. Okay, you can see, note this. This is step number 1, what we did. Okay, step number 2, what is the step number 2? Write down. Step number 1, we have completed vendor down payment request. Next one, vendor advance payment. Within the bracket, down payment. Within the bracket, down payment. Vendor, so he has, vendor has requested to sourcing department. Sourcing department created this request. Who will create this request? As finance department is not going to create this request. This request will be created by either I'm sorry, sourcing department or buyers department or purchasing department. So it's not will done by finance department. So this request will be received by the finance department. Once the request is received and approved, then the finance department will do the payment. Okay, write down. Vendor advance payment. Vendor advance payment within the bracket down payment. Write down. Path SAP menu, or else write down path same as above. Path same as above till down payment. Till down payment. From there select. From there select down payment. From there select down payment. Transaction code F-48. Transaction code F-48. Transaction code F-48. Same path. Okay. So you can see here. So here down payment F-48. Path same as till here. So here we are going to do date F4, F2. Okay, UT01. So here VDP1. Vendor, is it a down payment? No, it's an advance payment. Advance payment. Okay, next one, vendor account. If you remember vendor account, then it's okay. But if you don't remember, then check. Press enter. So 4 lakhs 4205. Select account. Okay, next one here, cash account. 2,40,000. 2,40,000. And amount. So here special GL indicator. Here we need to give A. Special GL indicator A. Amount 40,000. Write down as it is. So within the text, vendor advance payment, not request, advance payment. Just write it down. Second step we are doing. Date, reference, document header text, account, special GL indicator A, account we are paying through cash. So cash account, we have not started the module of banking. So till that we will select cash account only. And vendor account, sorry, here vendor, yeah, correct. Amount, okay. Next, is it done?
Yes.
Yeah. So click on request button. After entering all the details, click on request button. After entering all the details, click on request button. Click on request button. So here, this is the request line item. So select the request line item. Select request line item. First, click on request button. The next, click on payment request and click on create down payment. Next, click on create down payments. Click on create down payments. You can see here. So somewhere I made a mistake, cash account. Did I enter 40,000? Yeah, here I have entered 40,000. Okay. So now click on save button. So write down 15,002. Okay. So document display. See here. Debit the receiver Satvik Construction Limited, Private Limited to cash account. If you want general ledger view, you can see here. Okay. 29A is nothing but a special GL indicator of vendor, advance to vendor. Okay. This is a reconciliation account, 15500 to cash account. Cash is going out from us. Any questions still here?
No.
No.
Yeah. So here, advance to vendor. So write down this entry. Now again, go to the FBL 1N. Go to the FBL 1N. Go to the FBL 1N. So here it's a noted item and we need to select special GL transactions. Special GL transaction plus noted items. So just select special GL, whatever. So whatever request we have done, that is called noted item. Whatever down payment we have done, entry we have done, special GL, F to A, that is nothing but special GL transaction. So click on execute. This is F and this is A. So click on here. Okay, that will be transferred to clear items. So indicator F, it will show it as a green button and it will be shown it as an A red bulb. You can see here. See here. Letter indicator F is showing in green, which means which is cleared and move it to down payment. That is nothing but now it is showing open item as 40,000 advance payment. Clear? Any questions? And now it's an
No.
open item. It's an open item. Step number 2, we have completed. Step number 3. So this is we have done. Next one, vendor invoice posting. Write down Vendor invoice posting. Vendor invoice posting. SAP menu. Write down the path. SAP menu. Accounting. Or you can write path same as above. Till document entry. Till document entry. Till document entry. From there select down payment. Sorry. Document entry. From there select invoice. Transaction code. Transaction code FB60. 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 Okay. So you can mention here. I'll keep this as it is. Okay, click on yes. FB60. Sorry, it's F or F. FB. FB60. FB60. So give the vendor. So first we need to check company code. Okay, first check company code UT01. Select the vendor. Select the party. Okay, select the party. F4, F2. Date. VDP01. VDP01. Okay. So here I am giving GL account. GL account 45,000, 45. Advertisement account. Okay. 1 lakh. 1 lakh was the amount. So whenever we press enter, it will show a down payment request message. So till here, write entry as it is. Write entry as it is. Once you're done, let me know. Okay, if you press enter, see here, 40,000 INR down payment on current asset exists. So the vendor exists, down payment. Just write down the message. Write down this. Okay. So just click on OK button. Is it done, everyone?
Yes.
So click on OK button. Right. So just we can ignore that GL account relevant to tax code and go to business area. BHYD. Profit center.
UHYD.
Sorry, I'm very sorry. Previous process. Thank you. UHYD. UHYD. Profit center. U1000. Just write it down. Business area. UHYD. Profit center. U1000. Okay. So copy the amount. 1 lakh. Amount 1 lakh. Amount 1 lakh. Just write down. So here 1 lakh, 1 lakh. So we are posting an invoice for 1 lakh, final invoice. Okay, click on simulate. Click on simulate. So you can see here, advertisement account debited to Satvik Construction. So click on post. So document has been generated. So click on document, display. Okay, general ledger view. So here you can see this right on the entry. Advertisement account debited to trade payables account. Trade payable service account 1 lakh. Done. Okay. So let's go to the FBL 1N now. Now select normal item. Normal items, special GL transaction, and noted items. Normal items, special noted item, first one, down payment request. Advance payment, whatever we have done, that is nothing but special GL. And now we have posted in FB60 to vendor account, that is nothing but normal items. So click on execute. Click on execute. Here. So here you can see that normal item, okay, without any special GL indicator, it is showing 1 lakh. And with the special GL indicator, that is A, 40,000 advance payment. The difference after adjusting means we are adjusting advance payment with 1 lakh invoice. How much amount we are about to pay? We are supposed to pay. How much amount we are supposed to pay?
60.
Sorry, 60,000. Okay. This advance we need to adjust against to invoice. So now we need to, now which indicator it is showing? Which indicator it is showing? Special GL indicator. So whenever it is showing a special GL indicator, we can't adjust. So what we need to do, we need to convert this special GL indicator to normal GL. So write down next step. Next step, write down. Write down. Transfer from special GL to normal GL. Transfer from special GL to normal GL. That is nothing but advance from vendor account to trade payables. Transfer from special GL to normal GL. Okay, so what we are doing, advance from vendor account to, this is special GL indicator, advance from vendor to trade payables. So both the GLs are different. So write down the path. Write down the path. Path same as above. Path same as above. Till document entry. Till document entry. Till document entry. From there, select down payment. Select down payment. And from there, select clearing. Select clearing. Transaction code F-54. F-54. So we can go to the again. So document entry, it's the same. Under document entry, down payment. Okay. Clearing, F-54 clearing. Sorry. F-54. So double click on F-54. So give F4, F2. F4, F2. So reference number VDP01. Advance adjustment, I'll write it as a whatever. Advance And one adjustment. So vendor account we need to give. So what is the invoice number? It is 19 lakhs 4. So 19 lakhs 4. 19 lakhs 4. Okay, invoice number, whatever invoice posted. Okay, we are adjusting that. So here 19 lakhs 4, document number for 1 lakh amount. So 2023. So write down advance adjustment against invoice. Write down this. Is it done?
Yes.
Yes.
The next, click on process down payment. Click on process down payments. Click on process down payment. So here it is showing 40,000. Select the request line item. Select the request line item. Select the request line item. Select a request line item. Select, write down this as it is. So here we can transfer posting. Here. See here 40,000. Document, double click on transfer posting. The next document, simulate and post. Document simulate and post. Document simulate and save it. See here. The entry was reversed. Earlier it was 29A. Now it has been 39A. Vendor special GL indicator becoming credited, and okay, vendor becomes a debit. Now here you can see post. Post. So document, click on display. Click on display. You can see here 26 vendor account. Okay. And GL view, if you see GL view, you will understand. See here, trade payables has been debited. Vendor special GL indicator has been credited. So here you can see here, there is no special GL indicator here. Right now, this 40,000 will reflect as a normal item, not as a special GL item. Okay, just write down this entry. Just write down this entry. Okay, so go to FBL 1N now. Okay, FBL 1N. Same, I'm taking it as a normal open. Okay, click on. See here, indicator A is cleared. Advance adjustment against invoice as a vendor advance request. Now you can see this one 40,000 is becoming a normal item, no special GL. So total 1 lakh. Okay, just write it down. Okay. So total, how much we need to pay now? What is the
60.
balance we need to pay?
60,000.
60,000, because 40,000 special GL amount, special GL indicator, which was there earlier, that down advance payment has been adjusted to normal invoice. Okay. So it's total 60,000 we need to pay. So out of this 60,000, we are going to retain. We are not going to pay total amount. We are not going to pay the total amount. We are going to pay. Okay. We are going to pay only 55,000. 5,000 we are going to retain with us. Okay. Okay. So write down retain amount. So write down next step. So we have done with this advance to trade payable, transfer from trade payables to retention. Write down transfer from special GL to transfer from trade payables to retention. Within the bracket, write down transfer from normal GL to special GL. Normal from transfer from normal GL to special GL. Okay, understood. So out of 60,000, now it is a normal amount. So in this, we are not going to pay complete amount. We are going to retain 5,000 with us, and remaining amount we are going to pay. That is 55,000. So write down the path. Path same as above. Path same as above. Path same as above. Till document entry. Till document entry. And from there select other. And select with clearing. Understood, right? What do you mean by retention? Holding amount. We are holding the amount. Okay. So here, this is my entry. Go to the path. Other. Okay. So here you can see here other. Take out with clearing. Okay. So here same document entry F4, F2. F4, F2. AA. VDP01. Transfer posting. Okay, here. Just make this as a. We need to transfer to special GL indicator 39. Vendor credit. And vendor account here. Vendor account. So special GL indicator. So here we are going to take H. Holding. In this server, we don't have a retention. So here we need to hold it. Security deposit. Hold. We don't have R actually. So either I select hold. So select hold. Write down as it is. Transfer posting with clearing. Okay. Vendor special GL credit. Vendor account. Special GL indicator. Either R or H. Press enter. How much amount? 5,000. 5,000. Okay. Transfer from. 1 second. 1 second. There is an issue. Okay, so you can write here. Transfer from normal GL to special GL. Transfer from normal GL to special GL. Normal to special GL to. Okay. Just write it down as it is. So here just we are transferring 5,000. $5,000 amount. Okay. Give the due on today's date. F4, F2, F4, F2. Transfer from normal GL to special GL. Transfer from special GL to normal GL. Click on choose open items. 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 Give vendor account. Give the company code, vendor account. Give vendor account. Account type K. Standard outstanding invoices. Check on standard outstanding invoices. Okay, next click on process open items. Select process open items. And select minus 1 lakh. 1 lakh should be active. So select 1 lakh. So select partial payment. Select partial payment tab. Select partial payment. So double click on 1 lakh. Okay, so what we are doing, out of 1 lakh, we are adjusting 5,000. Okay, advanced 1 lakh, 5,000 is transferring to special GL. Okay, now click on document, simulate and post. Okay, go to document number 1,13,000. So display, you can see here. H, it is showing a retention money. So here Satvik Constructions Private Limited, Satvik Construction Private Limited. So here there is no difference, but when you come to general ledger view, see here, trade payable services, account debited to retention money of vendor, special GL indicator, H, special GL. Clear?
Yes.
Right? So write down. Next one. This is retention money transferred to normal GL. If you see in FBAL 1N, okay, so we have selected normal items, special GL and noted items. So click on execute. It will show H as an indicator. Now you can see here. Out of 1 lakh, 5,000 is special GL indicator H and 40,000 down payment. So still how much we need to pay? 5,000. Okay. For 5,000 we need to pay. Means out of 55,000 now, right now we need to pay, and still 5,000 we are make it as a special GL indicator. So write down. Write down next step. Write down next step. Vendor balance clear, outgoing. Write down outgoing payment. Vendor balance clear, outgoing payment. Vendor balance clear, outgoing payment. Okay, write down the path. Path same as above. Till document entry. Path same as above till document entry. From there, select outgoing payment. From there, select outgoing payment. Select post. Select post. Transaction code F-53. F-53. So till document entry, it's the same. Till document entry, it's the same. Okay. So here you can see till document entry, it is the same. Okay. We are in others. So document entry. Okay. So here you can see outgoing payment. So post. F-53. Click on post. So F4, F2. F4, F2. Okay, next one. Reference. VDP01. Vendor payment. So we are doing 55,000 payment now. We'll try to see if we do 1 lakh, we do 60,000. I'm trying to give 60,000. So text vendor balance payment. Okay, amount, account. So here it is account, bank account, right? So it's nothing but cash account we need to give. And here we need to give vendor account. Just write it down. So this is your bank data and here it is vendor data. Okay, click. Is it done, everyone? I'm sorry. Yeah, anyone?
Done.
Click on process open item. Click on process open item. Click on process open item. So by default, it will show it as an 1 lakh. So press 1 lakh plus 5,000 plus 40,000. Now you can see not assigned 5,000. Okay. Now you can see document simulate. So uncheck this one 5,000. Document simulate. Okay. Cash account 60, 40,000. Click on post. Click on post. So document has been generated. So right on the center. Right on the center. General ledger, right on the center. Trade payable, trade payables, debit account debited, trade payables credit to cash. Right on this. Okay. So go to FBL 1N. FBL 1N, and I'm removing all special normal items, special GL, sorry, noted items or special GL indicator. Then everything it will show as an open, clear titles. Only 5,000, we have an open item. Okay. So retention money still it is showing outstanding. Okay. So after completion of this, we need to pay back. So write down vendor retention money payment. Vendor retention money payment. Vendor retention money payment. Okay. Document and path same as above. Same outgoing payment post F-53. F-53 same transaction code. Okay. F-53. F4 F2. F4 F2. VDP01. Okay. Cash account 2,40,000. Amount 5,000. Whatever open item 5,000. 28,500. Vendor retention payment. Vendor retention payment. Vendor retention payment. Okay. So vendor account. So here account type K special GL indicator we need to give here H. If it is R, we need to give R, but we have selected H, so we need to give H. Just write it down. And remove outstanding open items, checkbox. Standard outstanding invoice checkbox, uncheck that. Write down this as it is. Okay, click on process open items. Click on process open items. So here 5,000, 5,000. Uncheck this. Okay. So we are paying this balance 5,000 also after completion of all the service. Now document, simulate cash account debited to Satvik Constructions. Satvik Constructions. Okay, click on post button. Click on post button. Click on document, display, general ledger. So retention money vendor is debiting and cash account has been credited. Okay. This is clear, everyone? Till here? So we have done the vendor complete special GL transactions vendor. Any questions on this?
No.
Whatever may be the transactions, only will have only these many steps. That's it. Is that clear?
Yes.
So we will stop here itself because my throat is not supporting this week. So next week we will start with the customer master data. Is that fine?
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you. So just go through.
Thank you.
I'll share yesterday's and today's recording. Okay.
Okay.
And, we will complete next week customer master data complete part. And again, whoever missed the what we called I'm sorry. Whoever missed the GST part, so again we will repeat almost all similar steps in customer accounts also. So you people can attend in that also, not an issue.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.